The jungle that worked together. In a deep green jungle lived a very bossy, arrogant lion named Leo. Leo roared, "I'm the king. I do not need anyone." But he was very wrong. One morning, Leo woke up and said, "Here is my breakfast. No zebras, no rabbits, and where is this little monkey?" Monkey was scratching his head. He was sitting on a tree. He said to the proudly king, "Well, the king of the jungle, the trees are sad. Trees are not having fruit, even any banana, because the soil is dry." Leo growled, "Why are the trees sad?" A sleepy worm popped out of the ground. "Because the soil is dry, silly lion." Then a tiny bee buzzed by. "Master Lion, if the flowers did not grow, how we can find nectar from flowers? How we will make honey?" Leo sat down. His mane flopped over his eyes. Wait. So no rain means no flowers. No flowers mean no plants and no fruits, no monkeys, no rabbits, no fun, and no animal for my breakfast. All the animals nodded. Even the sleepy owl said, "That is called an ecosystem, Mr. King." Owl explained. "Ecosystem means we all work together. Plants, bugs, animals, even the rain, sunlight, water." From that day on, Leo changed his tone. He helped water the plants. He prayed to Allah for the rain. The rabbit now eats plants to stay alive. The lion eats the rabbits to get energy. The plants grow with water and sunlight, and together they keep the jungle ecosystem balanced.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Don't forget to tap subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your buddies. Stay tuned with Creative Kids.